Hey, ladies and gents, I'm here again. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Guys, guess what? Another unboxing. Guess what came today? Made my day. If you want yours, you need to send me a DM because this is gone. This is assing gone. Guys, look. Oh my God, look. HemoHim! Our flagship product. I just got delivery of this today. I'm so happy. It's going with all the other products, you know. Yes, look, HemoHim. Okay? Those of you who don't know HemoHim, this is the Hemo stands for hemoglobin. The Him stands for Haematopoiesis, immunity modulation. So this strengthens your immunity. Once your immunity is strong, is there any sickness? Is there any disease you cannot fight? Hey, really? Guys, I'm just so excited. You know, I always share my excitement with you. This is good. I got 2 packs, okay? Now, if you want yours, send me a DM because this is gone. It's gone. As in gone. Trust me, it's gone. You know? Guess what? Atomy, Alaska, omega-3. Best fish oil you'll find in the world. Quote me anywhere. Alaska, omega-3. Heart, brain function. Let me show you the other one. That's a quick one. Let's put that one there. See? Sealed. No tricks, no gimmicks. It's sealed. Let's unbox. Let's unbox it. Okay. Can you guess what is in this? Okay. Leave me a comment. Can you guess? Let's see what's here. Oh, it's well sealed, guys. Oh, you need to dig deep on this one. It's well sealed. They're not messing around here. It's well sealed. Well sealed. Oh dear. This is my best part of making beauty products. This is my best part where I have to unbox my product. Okay, let's go. Almost there. Stay with me. Almost there. You know, sometimes when they do this packaging, they do it like you never get to open it. I don't know why they do that. Yeah, I guess, yeah, they need to protect the product, innit? Anyway, let me just get this going. Ladies and gents, we're there. One more pull. Let's go. Oh, yeah, that's it. One more pull. In this day and age, if you do not have HemoHim in your house, trust me, you're joking. You need one of these in your house because they are forecasting all sorts of things happening in 2023. You don't want to be a party to it, do you? You don't want to be a party to it. Guess what? I've got 200. People ask me, why are you always happy when you're unboxing your products? Why would I be happy? If you get good products, you flaunt it. Yeah. Flaunt what your mama gave you. I love my products. They're effective. And, you know, people just love them. These have been bought. They're gone, you know. So, ladies and gents, if you want it, I'm going to put the details under this video, okay? I'm putting all the details. So if you want it, send me a DM. Send me a DM while I carry on packing. I showed you this one the last time. These are all going, they're all going to Nigeria. All right? Yeah. And so many others. So let me carry on with what I'm doing. I just wanted to share my excitement with you as I always do. I love you all. Send me a DM. Stay out of trouble. Love you.